Antonym of tragic, comic. Antonym of attain, lose. Antonym of curtail, extend. Antonym of lachrymose, blithe. Antonym of ductile, rigid. Idiom, to end in smoke, to ruin oneself. Idiom, above board, means to be honest. Idiom, to play second fiddle, means to support the view of another. All and sundry means everyone. A black sheep means disreputable person. Sumrah dynasty ruled in Sindh from 1050 AD to 1350 AD. During Arghun's rule, capital of Sindh was Thatta. Shah Jahan gifted Sindh to Aurangzeb. Dalil Kot is in Nawabshah. Kahujo Daro is located in Mirpur Khas. Saron Lake is located in Tharparkar. Misri Shah tomb is in which city? Tharparkar. Tomb of Alan Fakir is in Jamshoro. Guddu Barrage has how many gates? 64. Word Sindh is mentioned how many times in Rigvedas? 30.